as Donald Trump don give 2 weeks before he go decide to join the Israel-Iran war. World leaders just dey worry say dis one go work or e go cause more wahala. Abi wetin dey make dis ugly doll dey take over the world sef? See how big celebrities like Rihanna, Lipa, Kardashian and BLACKPINK's Lisa dey craze on top. Na some for wetin you go see for today tori be that. And na Pidgin Tori global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter today gist. UK, France and Germany foreign ministers go jam Iran foreign minister for Geneva today to try find out how dem go calm down the fight wey dey go on between Israel and Iran. White House don confirm say Donald Trump go decide inside 2 weeks whether US go enter the matter directly. According to correspondents, Trump comments don open small chance for peaceful talk, whereas Israel army tok say dem don bomb plenty military location for Iran overnight. Iran too no keep quiet o. Dem fire missiles go Israel side. Dem say after 1 week of serious fight, Iran nuclear project don suffer big blow, but e never finally finish. US Senator Marco Rubio don hold emergency meeting with UK Foreign Secretary David Lammy as both countries dey try stop Iran make dem no build nuclear weapon. Both sides agree say Iran no suppose to get dis kind weapon, but na Britain come strong pass for the meeting. Lammy stress say dem no get time again. Na now dem need to find diplomatic solution before things spoil more. Lammy talk say the 2-week window wey Trump give make sense and dem go use am well to push for peace. Emergency workers for Israel don treat 5 people wey get small injury after missile from Iran knack Beersheba this morning. Paramedic Dave Benziv tell reporters say him see thick smoke, cars dey burn and one building scatter well. Dem don open 2 points to treat injured people and dey check others wey dey come out from nearby houses. Beersheba authorities don beg residents make dem no near the place of the strike at all, say emergency and rescue people still dey work for there. Scanning still dey go on for the area to confirm wetin spoil. One expert from Australia, Shalom Abbazadeh, don talk say Trump no dey control US policy for Middle East again, say na Israel dey call the shots now. According to am, Trump bin promise to pull US comot from Middle East wahala, but he end up to give Israel full control over US decisions, especially for matter wey concern Palestine and Iran. Abbazadeh still talk say if the European leaders wey wan meet Iran foreign minister today fit find diplomatic way settle the tension, Trump go prefer that one. But if peace no show face, Trump don corner himself and e go hard am to escape the heat. One Jewish group for US, wey dem dey call Jewish Voice for Peace (JVP), don call out President Trump make e stop to dey support Israel with weapons. Dem say Israel attack on Iran fit cause full-blown war for that region and say na US dey give dem power with all the free military support. JVP talk say US dey give Israel at least $3.8 billion every year, plus plenty extra since Israel start to bomb Gaza from October 2023. According to the group, Israel still dey use this support to kill and starve Palestinians, and now dem dey drag other countries enter. Their final word na US suppose talk to the arm Israel now. President Xi Jinping of China don tell im Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin say the most important matter now na to stop the fight wey dey go on between Israel and Iran. For phone call wey dem do this week, Xi talk say Israel suppose stop the fight quick before e spread go other places. E still throway word give countries wey get big power for the matter like US make dem help end the fight, no be to push am go far. Xi talk say na only talk and peaceful negotiation fit settle the matter, even though e no point finger say who start the wahala. Another Chinese top official, Wang Yi, don tell Onan say Israel attack for Iran no follow international law and e be serious threat to Iran territory. One expert from Australian National University, Alam Saleh, don talk say China and Russia go like am well if US President Donald Trump carry im hand enter the wahala between Israel and Iran. Im talk say if America start long war with Iran, e go favor China and Russia because dem go just dey back Iran quietly, make the fight long well so that US go waste energy and resources for that side. Saleh tok say Iran no be small group like Taliban or Houthis, say na strong country wey fit drag fight reach years. But even though China and Russia go support Iran behind the scene, dem no go put body directly for the war. For China side, their main concern na to make sure say oil and business from the region no stop. China don blast UK Royal Navy say their warship HMS Pei wey pass Taiwan Strait on Wednesday na in ten tional provocation wey fit scatter peace for the area. Dem tok say China military dey monitor the ship as e dey waka and dem ready stand strong against any wahala. But UK say the patrol no be new problem, na something wey dem plan long time and e follow international law. Dem say na part of bigger operation wey go last 8 months for Indo-Pacific region with over 4,000 UK soldiers. The mission go involve joint work with countries like UK, India, Malaysia and Singapore. Taiwan praise the patrol, say e show say freedom of movement still dey inside Taiwan Strait. China no gree, say UK dey try twist law and mislead people. China still dey do military deals for the area, while 2 of their aircraft carriers dey run big exercise near Japan. Whereas UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer say the deployment of HMS Prince of Wales Carrier Strike Group na big show of strength to their enemies and support to their allies. The furry Labubu dolls wey Pop Mart for China dey produce don turn world to craze o. Some say dem cute, others say they just look strange. But big names like Rihanna, Lipa, Kim Kardashian and Lisa from BLACKPINK don fall for the toy too. People dey queue long for countries like China and UK just to grab one. And fight sef don break out for some places because of the doll. One fan, Fiona Zhang, tok say she dey feel like champion anytime wey she fit buy one. No be wahala be that. Labubu come from the Monster Toy series by artist Cassie Long. The doll get big eyes, pointy ears and always dey flash mischievous grin with exactly 9 teeth. According to the company, e dey try help, but mostly dey spoil things instead. Labubu and her toy family like Zimomo, Taikoko and Coco dey inside different series like Big Into Energy and Falling Well. People dey even confuse them because dem resemble, but fans sabi the difference. Pop Mart start for 2010 as small shop for Beijing, but when dem start to sell blind boxes wey be say you no sabi which character dey inside until you open am, everything change. Labubu dolls blow for 2019 and by 2020, Pop Mart enter Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Their shares don rise past 500% last year. Now, dem get over 2,000 vending machines wey dem dey call robo-shops for more than 30 countries from America to Singapore. But wahala don start because demand too high. Many shops don pause sales. Even Chinese customs don seize 70,000 fake Labubu dolls this week alone. Why dem dey seize dem? No be doll. Anyway, na flow craze e don be so. E take years before Labubu go global, but now e don carry Chinese toy business go another level. Wetin you think about am? Britain dey roast as weather people don talk say Friday fit hot pass Thursday own wey reach 32.2 degrees Celsius. Dem dey expect make heat climb go 33 degrees Celsius for some places and even hit 34 degrees Celsius by Saturday. Met Office don talk say many areas go pass heat wave level by Friday afternoon. That one mean say dem don see high temperature steady for 3 days straight. For London, dem don already hit 28 degrees Celsius 2 days back to back. So if Friday follow join, e go enter heat wave officially. UK Health Security Agency don raise alarm say this kind hot weather fit affect people health, especially old people and those wey get health wahala. Dem don drop alert wey go last till Monday morning. Suffolk don already enter heat wave since Thursday after dem hit 27 degrees Celsius for 3 days straight. But even with all this heat, e still never reached 1976 June record of 35.6 degrees Celsius. Dem say na one high pressure system dey pull all this hot breeze from Western Europe come UK. Firefighters don report over 500 wildfire cases since this year alone, 777% jump compared to last year. Authorities dey beg people to take am easy outside to avoid more fire and health wahala. Pavel Durov, di Russian wey build Telegram app, don shock pipo say e get over 100 children. E tell French magazine Le Point say na from sperm donation wey e start 15 years ago to help one friend. Clinics don use am born pikin for 12 different countries. Apart from that, Durov still get 6 other children from 3 women wey e be papa to officially. E say all of them, even the sperm donation ones, go share in $13.9 billion fortune when e die, but dem no go touch shishi for 30 years. Wetin be the reason? E wan make dem hustle on their own first before money enter. The 40-year-old talk say the kind work wey e dey do dey risky. E say to fight for freedom dey attract strong enemies, whereas Durov dey face serious charge for France say im app no dey help stop things like drug business and abuse. French police arrest am last year over that one, but e don deny am clear, say criminals fit use any app. That one no mean say na the app owner dey support dem. Telegram wey e create don grow pass 1 billion users, and e still talk say the criminal case against am no hold water at all. And the last one for today, one British man wey resemble pit bull scatter everywhere for London O2 Arena after fans mistake am for the real music superstar. Phil Mansford, wey be 49 years old and come from Sheffield for Bedfordshire, just wear suit and shade like normal person go Pitbull concert. But because e get bald head and im wife rub small mascara for im grey beard, pipo begin shout say na Pitbull don show. As dem near concert ground, pipo for train begin hail am. Before dem reach gate, fans don gather, dey scream and rush am. E even carry im guy Mike wey form bodyguard dey clear road for am. Dem video the scene. Im daughter post am for TikTok. E don pass 3.8 million views and share pass 55,000 times. Phil say e no even know say e get cult wey dey dress like Pitbull. E just go enjoy show. But as at ten tion land, e make the moment well. E even say the concert sweet die. Top drawer. Even though no be die-hard fan of Pitbull, Phil, wey dey manage Center for People with Learning Disabilities, say the whole thing dey crazy and amazing. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Coffee dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.